plant power, as green plants have always had certain qualities that we should call unique and powerful. Whether it be domestic house plants, plants in your backyard, wild plants, or even your lawn, they can all absorb many types of airborne pollutants like dust and soot. In fact, the thicker your lawn is, the better. This will prevent soil erosion, and it also filters contaminants from rainwater. Although you must avoid pesticides, which will keep weeds away but poison everything else it comes in contact with. In the U.S., nearly 70 million tons of pesticides are dumped on residential and commercial lawns. This basically kills many types of insects and small organisms, which heavily reduces overall biodiversity. What a good reason to start thinking about leaving our grass clippings on the grass instead of bagging it and adding CO2 in the air when a truck comes and picks it up. This is healthier for your lawn anyway, creating a richer, nutrient-abundant soil. A pesticide-free lawn will benefit you and all that is living around your yard. When rainwater is filtered from your grass, all these fresh nutrients will spread throughout your yard and beyond. The basic, but probably the biggest known power that green plants give us is the fact that they've always blessed us with oxygen and food. But many of them have also been absorbing pollution as well. Another great power word coming from green plants is phytoremediator. Phyto, the Greek word for plant, and remediator, which means to remedy, coming from the Latin word remediare, is a process that plant roots absorb polluted or contaminated areas and or convert them into safer forms. This process has been going on since the beginning of plant life, but we've only discovered this great power around 300 years ago. The difference today is that many new studies are being explored at this very moment, including genetic engineering, where scientists can extract certain special qualities and modify the genetics of another plant to create new, extraordinary plants. These types of plants have already cleaned many contaminated areas, and it just goes to show how powerful the plants around us really are. Plants like clover and sunflowers can break down these contaminants, like carbon and oil, down to non-toxic molecules. Then they can be released into our atmosphere as a non-toxic vapor. New studies in this field are being done around the world, and soon plant power will be a major factor in our lives. In fact, they already are.